How to reset Chrome to default settings. Hey everybody, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to reset your Google Chromes into back to default settings. First thing you do is open up your Chrome browser, and then you'll need to access the three dots at the top right to head over to settings. So if you if you scroll down here, right above exit, you'll have settings menu. Just click on it. Now you can try to change and manually change back the settings back to normal, but it's going to be a hassle. So Chrome has provided us with this option called Reset Settings. You can click on it, and then you will have an option to restore settings to their original defaults. So click on it. Now, what it will do is it will reset some Chrome settings and shortcuts. It will disable all of your extensions and delete cookies and other temporary data. So you might be logged out of all of your sites that you've logged into, so you might have to log in back again into everything. Just make sure that you know what you're doing and then click on Reset Settings. And then you should be able to revert back to the original default settings. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful to you. I'll catch you on the next one.